Good morning.
May is confirm your full name in date for bit please.
My name is Ajis Rahman. Born May 10, 2005.
Thank you, sir. Today I will help you practice effective. Continue to make it easier for you to clear your problem. Please follow my instruction, okay?
Yes, nurse.
I wash my hands, feet, and foot on gloves. Are you still able to cook by yourself?
Yes, but sometimes it's hard to get to plain oats.
Alright. Let's introduce you to a semi-upright position to eat easier. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I want to you is throw your nose for 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Hold in for 2 seconds. The exhale slow through your mouth with pursed lips for 9. Alright. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Good. Again. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Now, after the hit note 1, I want to you hold strong. Ready? Inhale. Hold. Now hold. Very good, sir. I've needed the doctor can also give you a medical to help lessen the bleeding. Now I help you take you up and clean the equipment and remove my gloves. Wash my hands again and record into your shirt.
Thank you, nurse. I feel a bit relieved now.
Alhamdulillah. I am glad you're more comfortable. If you have any other complaint, please let me know right away.
Enggak dah, anjing dia.
Assalamualaikum, Pak.
Waalaikumsalam.